Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kabir. I just wanted to make a short video for Alejandro and just y'all know how grateful I am to work with him and to know him. So I've been working with him for more than 1.5 years now, and we've scaled from 20k months to 30k months to 40k to 50k to 75k to 100k to 150k to 200k, and now at this point in July, we finished July for my business at $240,000 in cash collected. So we've really come a very long ride, and so far. And 1.5 years ago, we set some very big personal goals as well, like meeting up personally in Dubai and doing jet skis. And that just felt like some sort of a dream. And as of now, recording this video in July 2023, towards the end, we just did that in April this year, and those memories, they're gonna stay with me forever. So if you're thinking about working with them, it's definitely worth a shot and definitely worth your investment.